Children, now Shama, Arshak, Meena, Bindu, Zeenat and Raju are going to tell their names using a song. සින්දුවෙන් තමයි ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ නම කියන්නේ. Let's listen. අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා යමුකන් දෙමු. Let's listen the song.
I'm Shama, I'm Shama, I'm Shama, what's your name?
I'm Arshak, I'm Arshak, I'm Arshak, what's your name?
I am Meena, I am Meena, I am Meena, what's your name?
I am Bindu, I am Bindu, I am Bindu, what's your name?
I'm Zeenat, I'm Zeenat, I'm Zeenat, what's your name?
I'm Raju, I'm Raju, I'm Raju, that's my name.
Okay, children. Now let's sing the song. Use your name and sing. Are you ready? ඔගොල්ලන්ගේ නම කියලා තමයි සින්දුව කියන්නේ. Use your name and sing.